Alright, welcome back once again. On our last video we show us the app configuration, and here in this video we are going to be showing us how to design our app, that is giving it a lot of features and things like that we can actually enjoy. Now this is still under our configuration settings. The launch message, this is a message you want to display when anybody opens your application. So that's the first pop-up message that shows to your app users. So you can just type welcome to my app, or any information that you actually want to pass to the people through your app. So that's what it displays. Now you can choose to check how it displays to people. Now the next thing is app rating. So app rating, you can only enable that when you have published your application on Google Play Store. So if you have done that, now let's go to the design. Now the first thing is choosing the color of your application. So you can choose the color, the background color, all types of design that you actually want to do in your application. So you can choose your preferences, how you want your application to look like, the type of background, the kind of text you want to see on your menu, on your icons, like that. So now you can actually do that under the app design. So you can choose and select anyone and then save. And next is the font. So the kind of font you want your application to display, you can choose from the default font, or you can upload a new font that you have personally on your phone or on your system. So after doing that, you save. Then next thing is to go to chat sound. So if you are integrating chats into your application, you can actually select a sound you want it to the kind of sound you want for your application. So the next is the menu type. Now here you can choose the kind of menu you want your application to display. We have the top menu, that is menus that display at the top. So we have the side menu, that is when people click, the side menu will just show. Now we have the this is the table menu that shows at the center of your application. And we have application without menu. So with other application without menu is just like maybe you are trying to convert a website into an application, so you can select app without menu. Now let's go to button menu. So now if you actually create application without menu, you can now select button menu. You can have a list of menus at the bottom of your application. So sometimes you can put like your Facebook page, Twitter, your YouTube, anything that you actually want to put there, your links and all those stuffs like that. So under your bottom menu, you can actually also put your home, your home, your chats, your any kind of links that you actually want to put in your bottom menu. So that is what bottom menu is actually meant for. So you can actually integrate your links into the bottom menu. You add an icon so that display at the bottom of your application. Now after doing that, then you just have to save, and after save you go to main icon. So this is the main icon of your application. You can choose another one if you like. You can select a new icon. Now let's go to the bar icon. So these are the icons that display at the top of your application, such as the notification, the share icon, the search icon. So anyone that you like, you can put it on your application. The product. So at the top of your application, people can easily share your application to other people and see notifications. Now this is the loading image. That is when people open your application, there is an image that first load shows onto the people. So you can choose and select and configure it. Now the background image, so you can choose color as your background, you can also select image as your background, so depending on how you like it and how you want it. So now let's